Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Pertici double-ended miter saw. This machine is 220, 440 volt, currently wired 220 volt, 15-inch blade capacity. What that's going to mean is it's going to translate into an 8-inch width capacity, 4 1/4 height capacity. You do have 11 foot, 6 inches between blades, max. The left-hand side is stationary. The right-hand side adjusts to the left-hand side. Basically, you have a tape measure that runs the length of the machine. You do have a sight glass. You basically loosen up the assembly, push the spring-loaded handle in, and you basically just twist this to where you need it to be. You come back in and you lock the assembly in place. You do have a material hold down on each head. The right hand side will engage first on the pneumatics. The left hand side will engage when the blade drops. You do have a material support in the center. This is a compound miter saw, well, both of them are. Your miter and bevel are both adjustable to 45 degrees. So basically you can come in here and you can pivot this head 45 degrees in either direction. The head also does bevel. As you can see, there is your scale for that. Come and adjust this right back. As you can see, it adjusts really easily. It does have a positive stop. We're going to come in and turn the machine on real fast. It's double palm activated. Come into the other side real fast. As you can see, it's a nice smooth running saw, no issues. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.